Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily for Wednesday the 27th of November 2024. So a week ago, back on the 20th of November, I explained why I was taking a bullish position in SPY. That was back here. And then on the 22nd of November, we did a bit of a deep dive on SPY and I explained why I thought the bulls still had the upper hand. Here we are, new all-time highs, and we've got two closes above this resistance level, which is a Fibonacci extension level, which now puts 605 and 610 in as the next targets for SPY. Doesn't mean we go there in a straight line, but 605 is a high probability target in the coming days and weeks. But go back and watch those videos from the 20th of November and the 22nd of November if you haven't seen them already. Because they lay out the bullish arguments. Now, heading into Thanksgiving week, the first 3 days before Thanksgiving have got unambiguously bullish seasonality. We discussed that in a previous video. December is still bullish, and really the November to January period is the most bullish 3-month period for the S&P 500 from a seasonal perspective. And you can throw in sort of renewed optimism from, for economic growth as a result of the Trump election win, and that's kind of fueling bullish spirits as well here. And since Trump's announcement of his nomination for Treasury Secretary and Scott Bessent, we've seen a bit of a contraction in bond yields. You can see bond yields have fallen from their highs. The market is kind of factoring in, I guess, less policy volatility. He's viewed as a very safe pair of hands. And certainly he's very well credentialed. He's got a very, very strong CV. He's clearly financially very experienced and macro aware. So it looks like a good safe pair of hands for the Treasury Secretary role. We've also seen the dollar weaken slightly. If we look at DXY, it hit a big high here. We've had a couple of weaker sessions. It hasn't broken down yet. But certainly Trump and Bessent are talking about securing the dollar's role as the global reserve currency, but clearly a weaker dollar would be helpful for what they're looking to achieve. And all else being equal, a weaker dollar is generally going to be good for risky assets, and you could see emerging markets start to catch a bid as well if that dollar weakness does indeed ensue. From a trading perspective, I am exiting my bullish SPY butterfly trade. That worked really, really well. I'm adding a couple of other bullish trades as well. I'm not sort of heavily invested in the tech sector right now. Tech the Nasdaq is certainly lagging. We've had SPY at new all-time highs. We've had IWM hit a new all-time high. We had the Dow hit a new all-time high as well. And this is largely a function of sectors like financials and industrials and consumer discretionary kind of outperforming good old tech. And I think this is a theme that could play out over the longer term. And last but not least, while I've got you, Black Friday is just around the corner. We have got some special offers that we're offering you. If you'd like to take advantage of those, just head over to www.toweroftrading.com Black Friday, and you can check out the special offers that we've got there. Now is a great time to grab one of our programs, join our community, and learn how to use the financial markets to create the sort of financial independence you want. So grab yourself a deal, enjoy Thanksgiving, and I will catch you next time.